Record, we're on.
Doing what?
We're going to do carburetor adjustment on the 65 Panhead.
Where are you going?
With tank shift.
I don't know. Just point it the other way.
You point the other direction.
Don't want to put the exhaust on the people.
We go this way. We don't go this way.
Actually, point it this way. So that we roll on more.
Text if you do anything backwards there.
Yeah. Okay. What are we doing? Starting it?
Gas cap's leaking a little bit.
Whatever. You done playing?
Yeah.
Good where it was.
Carb adjustment.
Where's the other speed? Oh, it's on your side. All right, crank it up. Neutral. That's great. Fuel on.
A little bit of black smoke come out when we first fired it.
Top end seems to be pretty good. Start again?
I can't see. It's dark in there. Crank it up.
Yeah, that's what does that choke. Yeah.
Gas on.
Is the fuel on or off? Here,
It's on, the rod's up.
I can't see it. I can't feel it. I'm asking. Screwdriver slot right here.
Yes, it.
Okay, so it goes in like this. This is dead lean. This is rich. The middle is kind of where we're at. Find the smooth spot in the middle is where we're at.
Yep.
This how the actual way the hell up and I leaned it out.
Yep.
It's too damn rich.
Yeah.
Not too lean.
Right, I figure I can smell it big time.
It was misfired from being too rich. Plus you can smell it from rich and top.
Right.
So I had to reset the idle speed. So once you get to stabilize the idle speed, you can go adjust the idle mixer. You can go back and adjust the idle speed.
Okay, okay.
You can go back and forth. Because until it runs steady, you can't adjust it.
Yeah, yeah, you made a major adjustment.
I leaned out about a third of a turn.
Yeah. Looks like some fuel's leaking out.
It's about, no problem. inner cable right now is not pulling the throttle all the way back. You don't have enough adjustment in here, so you have to readjust your pinch screw. So even though I unscrewed about a half a turn or a third of a turn on the auto speed, it's not dropping. It's kind of floating to a lower RPM. It's not pulling to a lower RPM. So right now I got adjusted. There's a gap between the set screw and the throttle blade right now. So when it wants to go in, it'll calm back a little bit. But you have to go in there and readjust that cable.
Well, I can do that right now.
On that pinch
screwdriver or what?
Well, you have to get in there one screwdriver and do it. It's way up there on top where I can't see it. Yeah, you're out of adjustment on that part.
Okay.
You go wide open. Feels like we got a little extra in the wide open part. Yeah, you got a little extra on the big end. So let's go back here and adjust it.
I want to do that when the motor cools off a little bit.
I can't see if there's any light here. Can't see. Without light, you can't see anything.
Flashlight?
Right there.
He doesn't want to admit that he needs glasses.
Huh?
He's not ready to admit that he needs glasses yet.
Oh, okay. Is that it?
Everything's dark.
Yeah. I trip out on people our age that don't need glasses.
Yeah, me too. Right.
A lot of nice, good chrome on the bike that's really lit up nice, good in the sun, but you look inside the deep hole.
That starts glaring at you.
Still dark no matter what, huh?
It's still black in there. Oh, there's that screw way up in there. The problem is I can't do all this with one hand. Okay, so I'm going to get it back a little bit on throttle. So hold that right there, Van. Don't let it move.
Got it?
Forward. Wait. Oh, where? It's right where it is?
If you didn't move it, we're all right. If you moved it,
I have.
oh, that's why I said don't move it.
Oh, the linkage is way up there?
We're not getting here full throttle. So I feel like you get full throttle. You're going to get the shit. Put down here.
Yeah, so it's not doing it by itself.
You got 3/4 throttle. You're not getting anywhere near full throttle.
Okay.
Now look how much it's closing by. Close it really close. See that little right there, a little extra? That's what's making it go all the way down. The problem is you're not getting full throttle. Not even close.
How do you fix that?
It's a long way.
You have to redo the cable.
Huh.
Have to change the leverage point on the rubber.
Man, wait a minute, it's factory the way it was. What is it, like adjustable or something?
You have to bend stuff.
Huh?
You have to bend stuff and modify it. First thing I do is get this tank out of the way so you can actually see what's
Yeah,
happening.
I know. I can hear what you're saying right now. I hate screwing with all that because it's seated perfectly. That's not like a in fitting or anything.
Rainbow hose clamp, huh?
Floating like it was. Just gotta go force it.
That's a nice car, though.
You gotta do this. I don't have to screw top to screw it. Make sure I'm gonna get one side down. That might go full throttle on its own going down the road.
The wind's going to variable speed.
You know, the air sucking through the blade will open wide open.
Oh, got it.
You have clearance in the cable
Yeah,
because all up in here it's on a spiral and there's clearance in everything.
yeah.
So you have to tighten up the clearance to get more travel, or you got
Where is the clearance you tighten out? Oh, on the little thing up there.
up in here there's spiral.
Yeah.
You got a roller in there.
Yeah. I got
Whatever clearance is in there is how much throttle you lose.
You think that's where the slack is?
It's just, it doesn't work when it's good. When everything's perfect, it just works.
Maybe the
Now,
cable stretched a little
The
bit.
lever over here, when it's bent to a less of a base, less of an arc, it'll open more.
Yeah.
When it comes way out here, it takes more travel. Move it more in, less travel.
You can't really tweak it from here.
You have to tweak it, but you can't see what you're doing because the tank isn't moving. So the tank has to be out of the way, get the linkers to work, then take it to the tank. It wasn't exactly a super high-end system. They went to external flow and didn't make it much better. Well, linkert, so I can't tighten the screw with the tank. Let's see what we got.
So you adjusting the top end yet?
The main just completely shut off and it's still running. It's a little wrecky.
So you adjust that? Is that going to mess with my highway cruising
I need
here?
to pull the carburetor off, see what's going on inside of it.
I need to pull the carburetor off?
So go run it down the street, see if it feels any better. If it bogs out, give it to main jet. Right now the main jet's shut off.
And it's still running fat, huh?
When do I pull the carburetor off?
Have to get back or whenever you want to.
Yeah, when it cools off, of course. I mean, we need to do that now.
Down the street, that's right. You know,
So, ride it, adjust it, for what reason? Just see how it runs
We'll take
now.
it down the street, see how it runs.
Yeah.
If it won't take the throttle, give it some main jet. That's that knob on the side of there. So where's your helmet?
Back truck.
Mama's home.
Vegas already?
Yeah. They're back. He's gonna take it down the block. Why'd you shut that off? All right. Shut off prematurely. Let's go that way.
That way?
You can make that corner. There you go. See, it falls flat on its face. A lot of blue smoke behind them. See what it looks like when it comes back. Sun screwed to the camera too, like everything else. My guess is the carb is really rich. Plane drowns out everything.
That looks way, way, way better.
Way it better?
Yeah, I did just yet.
Still running rich and pulling black
like
smoke
going,
out.
huh?
There's running black smoke out of it.
Was it?
Yeah.
Gas tank.
Still rich.
So it's still rich on the top end.
Well, it was picking up better. What, does the idle jet have something to do with that or what?
Everything affects everything. But right now I got the main jet completely shut off and you're still rich. It was getting black smoke out tailpipe that I could see. It's hard to see with the sun in my eyes, but
Yeah.
either you were smoking a tire or it was smoking out the tailpipe.
Yeah, it was one time.
It wasn't smoking the tire? Okay. All right, so we need to pull the carburetor off. We'll go in there and see what the jetting is on the carburetor. Play around that a little bit. It should help it. And we'll see, we'll work on that lever a little bit too. All
Did
right.
you get the tank off to get the carb off or no?
No, you can take the carb off without doing that.
All right.
All right, sit on this for now.